In this video, we're going to create a typing effect over top of a video with a white background. In my previous typing videos, I've had black background with white text. So we're going to do the opposite. We're going to go over top of a video with a white background and I have black text. So follow me. Create 2 new video tracks. I already imported my media, so grab this, drag to the second track. First track, right click, insert generated media, go to Sony Prototype Titler, click OK. I have to change the color of this. Style, fill color, grab the red, drag it all the way left, the green all the way left, the blue all the way left. Now that will turn the text black. Click on here and hit escape. Let's position this. It's good. And go to layout. And this little swirl selection, make sure it's clicked. Fade selection, make that unchecked. You don't want that on. And grab the slider and set it all the way to the end. Put your cursor down at the bottom. Grab the slider. Set it all the way to the right. Okay, and let's put my sound effect in there. So that's all you have to do to create text on a white background using the Sony Prototype Titler. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.